guys, welcome back. My name is Sevim. We are practicing AWS Cloud together and we are on the Builders Lab on AWS Educate. Now we are going to continue for the Module 3. We finished Module 1 and Module 2, which was Security Basics, and we learned a little bit about Amazon Cognito Primer. Now we are going to study AWS Cloud9, and then we are going to do Cognito Lab, which is best practice for me. I really enjoy doing labs because I'm not the best with the theories, but I like hands-on experiences. And I'm going to start.
Everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Introduction to AWS Cloud9. Introduction and objectives. AWS Cloud9 is a cloud-based integrated development environment IDE that lets you write, run, and debug your code with just a browser. It includes a code editor, debugger, and terminal. AWS Cloud9 comes prepackaged with essential tools for popular programming languages including JavaScript, Python, PHP, and more. So you don't need to install files or configure your development machine to start new projects. That's good. For the labs in this course, you will be using AWS Cloud9 to write and run code. This module will help you become familiar with AWS Cloud9. That is really good. Review some of key features for AWS Cloud9. As previously stated, AWS Cloud9 is cloud-based IDE that lets you write, run, and debug your code with just a browser. Because its environment is hosted in AWS, developers can switch between desktops, laptops, and even tablets to access and work with their code. AWS Cloud has all the expected features of an IDE, which includes code completion, step-through, terminal interface debugging, and more. It also includes capabilities like environment sharing, which gives developers the ability to code collaboratively with other developers in real time. AWS Cloud9 supports many programming languages as Python, PHP, JavaScript, C#, and more. C++. When working with serverless services such as AWS Lambda, developers can use AWS Cloud9 to quickly pull code for a linked repo, make changes, and push the updates directly to Lambda if required. And cloud benefits. AWS Cloud provides a few key benefits. Start projects quickly and code with only a web browser. To use AWS Cloud9, you need only an AWS account. You can sign into AWS Management Console, create AWS Cloud9 environment, and start using it in your browser. Code together in real time. Instead of committing your changes to Git and asking a peer to review the changes on their machine, both you and your peer can use AWS Cloud to chat and code together in real time. AWS Cloud provides real-time feedback. Build serverless applications. You can edit and debug Lambda functions locally, which reduces the need to upload your code to the Lambda console for testing and debugging. AWS Cloud overview. In AWS Cloud, an environment is where you store your development projects, files, and run the tools to develop your applications. When you create an AWS Cloud9 environment, you can connect it to Amazon Elastic Cloud Compute Cloud instead of instance or to your own server. AWS Cloud9 integrates with AWS Code Commit and other remote repositories so that you can work with files in your environment. Your computer, runtime environment, version control, all of them. AWS Cloud Editor. AWS Cloud Editor is the tool that you use to write code. It has standard IDE features such as fully featured editor, broad selection of run configurations, integrated debugger, integrated tools for serverless development, built-in terminal, collaborative editing and chat, continuous delivery toolchain, file revision history. If you don't know how to create Amazon AWS console, you can just type on Google Amazon AWS console and you can sign up. Optional practice, AWS Cloud9 console tutorial. To practice using AWS Cloud9, you can complete the steps of this tutorial. In this tutorial, you set up AWS Cloud9 development environment and then use AWS Cloud IDE to code, run, and debug your first application. This tutorial should take approximately 1 hour. Not completing this tutorial might result in charges to your AWS account. This includes possible charges to Amazon EC2. For more information, see Amazon EC2 pricing. Okay, there's a heads up. We can keep that for now and continue. AWS Cloud9 pricing, AWS Cloud pricing model. There is no additional charge to AWS Cloud9. You pay for only compute and storage resources that are used to run and store your code. You pay for only what you use as you use it. There are no minimum fees and no upfront commitments. For example, you might use an EC2 instance for AWS Cloud9 development environment. In this case, you will pay for only EC2 instance and Amazon Elastic's block store. Volume for the time they are used and run and store your code. You can also connect your AWS Cloud9 development environment to an existing Linux server, for example, an on-premises server via SSH for no additional charge. You are charged the normal AWS rates for any AWS resources such as Lambda functions that you create or use within your AWS Cloud development environment. New AWS customers who are eligible for AWS free tier can use AWS Cloud9 for free. If your AWS Cloud9 environment makes use of resources beyond the free tier, you are charged the normal AWS rates for those resources. For more information about AWS Cloud pricing, see the AWS Cloud pricing page. Now this module is completed. We are going to go to the lab session, but there is also a lab here for AWS Cloud9.